guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing it really well. I'm not sure why I just leaned into the camera like that. That's probably where most people would go, I'm gonna stop and refilm that, but I'm not. We're just gonna pretend it didn't happen. So today I've got Degustabox. Degustabox, if you don't know, is a monthly food snack subscription box. You get lots of gluten-free and vegan stuff and all really random things. This is paid for by me. This is not PR. I was offered PR, and they asked me to change how I did my videos, and I said no thank you. So this is paid for by me. Ah, you shit fart, fuck. Oh, I've got a fucking paper cut on my finger and I've just cut it again. Exactly the same bit. Look at that. Look at my thumb. My poor thumb. Oh, that hurt. I can't remember how much it is. I think it's about, I want to say £12. I do have a discount code. Everybody that signs up gets a discount code. So if you sign up, you'll get a discount code that you can then give to people. If someone uses your discount code, you get points. When you get 100 points, you get a free box. That's nothing to do with being on YouTube or anything. That is just, everybody gets that. If you sign up, you'll do it. You can, your mum can buy one, your nan can buy one, and then you'll get a free box kind of thing. And then they'll get a code that they can, yeah, you get it. So this is a free box because someone's used my code. But yeah, it comes like this. It comes by courier. You get a text to say when it's going to come. I've had a few messages asking me if I've undone this yet because people want to know what I think. So it makes me think it's going to be crap, because normally when people message me to say, what did you think of Degustabox? It's because they want to see me go, oh my God, this is rubbish. But we'll see. I've got no idea. I haven't watched anyone else's videos yet. So this has been here for like 3 days. I just haven't had any time to open it. So I'm hoping there's nothing in it that needs to be in the fridge. Right, so, oh, I've just seen something the kids will like because I've just bought those. This is the January Breakfast on the Go. Theme is the box. It's a theme. Christ. Most of their themes are rubbish. Like, it'll be like picnic, and then it's like something that you need to cook on the hob for 6 hours. Or it'll be like movie night, and it'll be like the noisiest thing you could possibly eat. They just don't tend to, I don't know, I just don't feel like their themes are very good, but we'll see. This is breakfast. It's 2021. It could be Degustabox's year to just be like, fuck you, and just do amazing. So we'll see. Okay, so the first thing I've got is Mr. Freed tortilla chips. Not breakfast food, is it? Am I being thick? Is tortilla chips as breakfast food? Avocado toast, I can get on board with that, like on a weekend, have some nice avocado toast for breakfast. But chip crisps, I'm all confused. £1.59, ridiculous. This is 40 grams. This is literally like the same size as the bag of crisps that you get in like a Walker's Big Selection one, and that's £1.59. For snackers who love creamy guacamole but crave a little bite, are small bags of avocado. Hold gently dusted. Are small bags of avocado? Hold gently dusted tortilla chips with an additional spicy kick. What? Are small bags of avocado? I'm so confused. It's not a breakfast food. They don't really smell of anything. No, look, that's, I know no crisp bags are ever full, but like that. A little bit green. I don't know if you can see the green tinge. They're nice. They're a little bit, they taste like a Dorito that I've had. I can't think what. They're nice. They're really nice. I would eat them, definitely. How many calories are they per bag? So, oh, this is 2 portions in here. This is 2 portions, not 1 portion. So half a bag of this, for 20 grams, is 5 Sims on Cinnamon World, or 96 calories. That is a really small portion. But they're really good. Don't get me wrong, they're really nice. Next, I bought these for the kids about a month ago and they absolutely love them, so I'm really happy to see these. They're little bears, but they're really lovely. The kids absolutely love them. They didn't last long at all. They're like individually wrapped, and it's just like a little bear, and it's just kind of like Cocoa Pops with chocolate chips and stuff, all smushed together so it's hard, and then you soak it, and yeah, they're really nice. But they're £2.90. I bought mine when they were £1 in Asda on like when they first came out. But I would not pay £2.90 because it's literally, Mika eats 2 of them. She's 6 and she has 2 of these for breakfast. And that £2.90 is ridiculous. Nat Bear is a whole grain oat baked cereal baked into a fun bear shape. They have ingredients sourced from natural origins, no artificial colours or flavours. Whole grain oats is #1 ingredient. Put one in a bowl of milk and enjoy, and you can either get chocolate or honey. Oh, it's called breakfast and on the go, not breakfast on the go. That was me being thick, but no, they're a really good breakfast thing. The kids love these. They'll be super excited when they get up in the morning. Next, I've got organic fruit twists. Again, this is something the kids like. I think these are disgusting, but they love them. They're like the, it's kind of like in America, I think it's like a Twizzler, but these are made of like actual fruit. And in the UK, it's like, pink bootlaces, but like the thick ones. So they are, the kids love these and they are good for them because they are just like one of your 5 a day. You watch me saying that and they're not, they've probably just been me flavoured crap. Gregory's Tree Fruit Twists offer a healthy alternative when it comes to snacking. They're made from juicy organic fruit, gluten-free, suitable for vegans, and 60 calories a pack. You don't add any sugar or any funny stuff, just naturally great tasting treats on the go. So yeah, the kids will love these, but that is what they are. They're like a healthy version of a Twizzler. Next, oh, I've got Rye Bread. I love Rye Bread. This is like my favourite bread. I normally get the Lindemkin, I can't remember what it's called. The one I get is on, I'll put it on the screen, but this looks really good. I love Rye Bread. I know not everyone likes Rye Bread. Some people think it's gross, which is fine, but I love it. Baker Street Rye and Wheat Bread. Why choose? Because you can have the best of both worlds. Beautifully stone baked with rich hearty flavour, made with a sourdough starter and kneaded to light texture. Perfect for everyone to enjoy. Low fat, high fibre, dairy free, pre-sliced. Fantastic for open sandwiches and even more amazing toasted. It is so good toasted with avocado and tomatoes on. Amazing. It lasts for ages. That's why I like it, because I don't eat bread very often, like especially now. Since I've been doing Slimming World, I very rarely have bread. But this stuff, because it's only a little loaf as well, I'll open it and I can leave it for like a week and it's still fine. They're so yummy. I'll put it on the screen. I'm really happy with that. But I can totally get, I think we've got something there that we've had last month. I've just spotted. But I think I can totally get why some people, if they don't like rye bread, because it is a very, very strong flavour and not everyone will like it, but I love it. This thing, I've got this in my fridge. And I didn't buy this. This is, I'm sure this is from a Degustabox. Have we not had this last month? I've definitely got this in my fridge. Grey Poupon, Dijon vegan. Where else would I have got that from? I must have got it from Degustabox. Grey Poupon have launched their brand new range of mustard. Oh, is this the vegan one? No. Yeah, this is the vegan one. What's my one in the fridge? Ben, I need you. Yeah, is it the vegan one?
Yes.
Yeah, we've got this in the fridge, so I'm pretty sure I got this from... I wouldn't have bought that.
You like buying things that say poop on?
Yeah, I do like to buy things that say poop on. But yeah, this is, how much is that? £2.50.
What we have now to eat?
Nothing yet, I haven't finished doing it, piss off. I'll bring you something through in a minute. Did we not get that last month? I'm gonna have to watch my video back. I'll watch my video back and I'll have a look, and if I can work out where I've got this from before, I'll put it on the screen now. Yeah, but that's £2.50, ridiculous. We've got some peanut butter. Why do I feel like I had peanut butter recently as well? This will get used. We all like peanut butter in this house apart from Mika. Some pat is smooth. Foxy tends to have smooth peanut butter. Everyone else has crunchy, but again, it will get used in baking. £1.50. The nation's best tasting peanut butter now has a brand new design, packed with 96% peanuts, a natural source of protein, spread on toast, packed on a bagel, or load on pancakes. And you either get smooth or crunchy. Oh, a cereal drink. So this is like Horlicks, I think. Just since it's free from caffeine. So barley cup, £2.50. Barley cup is made from cereals, grain and chicory roots. The natural choice for those who like tea and coffee but are trying to cut down on the amount of caffeine in their diet. I'm caffeine free, so I am intrigued with this. Barley cup has an excellent aroma and a rich coffee-like flavour. Oh, it smells good. Naturally caffeine free. I'm really excited to try that. I'm going to make a cup in a minute and I'll put it on the screen now. Like, I'll put a little box here and tell you if it's shit or not. But I'm really excited to try that. Oh, why are people saying this is rubbish? Oh no, we've had these before. Okay, this just pissed me off again. We've definitely had these before because I've given these to my mother-in-law before because she is the only person I know that likes them. Whitworth fruit shots. It's like nuts and chocolate cranberries and just, it's like trail mix, but worse. These are £1.60 for 4 little packets. Yeah, we've had these before, definitely. I'll try and work out what month we have and I'll just put it on the screen if I can find it. But yeah, I've given these to my mother-in-law at least once in the past, and the only time I've ever got them is in a Degustabox. Next, I've got a Trek Power Millionaire Shortbread Protein Bar. Well, Ben will like that. Looks good. £1.75, which is very expensive, but protein bars are expensive. Trek Power Bars are Trek's brand new answer to higher protein. Each bar is covered in natural chocolate alternative. 15 grams of protein is 100% plant-based ingredients with no artificial sweeteners, naturally vegan, gluten-free, and are a perfect plant-based protein bar without compromising on taste. Nice enough. Mallow Puffs. Ooh, salted caramel mallow bar dunked in dark chocolate. Get in my fucking face. Mallow Puffs. These are, how many sins are you? No huff, no puff, relax. It's not a superfood, it's just a yummy, super puffy mallow that happens to be vegan. I love accidental vegan stuff. I know it's meant to be vegan, but I like finding stuff that's vegan. No idea the calories on this bitch. Can't say it. Super puffy vegan salted caramel marshmallow bar dunked in Belgian dark chocolate. Delicious mallow bar is the puffiest on the go. Vegan label certified, made with a UTZ certified cocoa, blah 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 blah. Have a look. Oh, it looks so cute. Oh, she's wonky. Mmm. That is amazing. Oh my god, I could eat all that. Tastes like a crunchy, but it's squishy. I'm going to work out the calories or sins, and I might have that as my treat tonight. That is delicious. Mmm. Why is everyone hating? You watch, I've said that now, I'm going to find another one that's crap. A waffle, brioche waffle. Kids will love this. Oh, we're going to get 2 of these. Get 2 of these. Millionaire's waffle and brioche waffle. Ah, Millionaire's waffle. So we've got a waffle and then like a biscuit waffle with caramel. £1 each. Take a moment to make your coffee break magnifique. St. Pierre's soft, sweet, satisfying brioche waffle is perfect with a hot drink. Millionaire's waffle is made from real Belgian chocolate, creamy caramel and waffle biscuit, providing a sweet treat to unwrap. The kids are going to go bananas for them. They will love them. I would eat them, but they are, yeah, that's like 11 sins, and that's 11 sins. Yeah, not worth it in my eyes. Now we've got some, what are you? Lizzie's Focus Super Muesli, 75p for 50 grams. These 75p each, or £3.50 for a big one. Set yourself up for the day with superfood muesli made with a mix of toasted, untoasted oats for a super satisfyingly crunch, packed with fruit nuts and outstanding flavour. So we've got mango, papaya and turmeric, hazelnuts, pecan and maca. I'm going to give these to my mother-in-law. She is going to love these. They don't appeal to me in the slightest. But yeah, she will absolutely love those. And I'm sure they are delicious. I don't know if they do other flavours or not. If they do any other flavours, I'll put them on the screen. And then the last thing we've got is fruit pastels, and these are vegan friendly ones. Again, the kids will love these. I don't like these, but I'm sure my little girls will love them. £1.29. If you're looking for a chewy, fruity flavour sweet, try the irresistible taste of Roundtree's fruit pastels. Every sharing bag contains a mixture of 5 flavours: blackcurrant, lemon, strawberry, lime and orange. Irresistibly chewy and now vegan. So, lovely. I don't know why people hated that. Like, liked it. Excited to try it. Love it. Love it. We'll use it. That's just pissed me off because I don't understand it. Love it. My mother-in-law is going to love it. Kids will love it. I'm going to eat this later. And they're delicious. So the only thing that I just don't get is this, why we've got this again. I'm sure we had that last month. I really liked it. I thought it was a good box. A good box for January. Yeah, what did you think? If you've had it, did you hate it? Am I being nice to Degustabox for some reason? I don't understand why. I thought it was a good box. Let me know what you think. If you like these videos, give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.